nail art has transformed into a potent way to express yourself without limits. Whether you are preparing for an open-air gathering or participating with pals, your nails can serve as an excellent canvas for displaying your one-of-a-kind style and character. In this video, we'll dive into the expansional nail art concepts that are wonderfully suited to outdoor get-togethers and joint ventures. For a garden party or a creative project with a nature enthusiast friend, floral nail art is a fantastic pick. Begin with soft pastel base color that matches the outdoor ambience. Use a fine brush to gently draw various flowers in different shades. Whether you go for daisies, roses or tulips, it's up to you. Finish it off with a clear top coat for a glossy finish that also safeguards your design. Capture the mesmerizing beauty of a sunset right on your nails with a captivating sunset blend nail art. Start with a lively orange base and mix it seamlessly into pink, purple and blue hues. Achieving the perfect blend is easier than a makeup sponge. To add a touch of sparkle and mimic the twinkling stars, consider applying glitter polish. The outcome will be nails that evoke the enhancement of a setting sun. Whether you are off to a beach bash or collaborating with a friend who shares your love for a tropical getaways, a tropical themed nail art will transform you to an island paradise. Option for a turquoise base reminiscent of an ocean, and then adorn your nails with palm tree sail hodges.